Update on the Edison project. We got all the EV controls in and it works. The controls for this generator are in too. Here's the ECM for it. Here's all the bus bars for the generator.
Yeah, so here we have the 24-volt battery for the truck. It's actually two 12-volt lithium-ion batteries that we put together in series. Now it wires into this computer. This computer, as small as it is, controls the whole freaking truck. So here we have the batteries. It connects up to the computer here. The computer is actually powered up by a relay. And to convert the 24-volt to 12-volt, we have a buck converter.
Buck converter, because essentially the generator for the truck runs off 24 volts and all the old truck harness is all off 24 volts. So we're running 24 volt. Then we convert it for the ECM down to 12.
So wired into the computer, we have our brake controller. Now we don't have the brake pedal yet wired in, but we do have the throttle pedal wired in, and this is all controlled by the computer.
Here we got the control unit. Just have to turn the key. Give it a second. Cycles through the gauges. We have all our power information. Control everything on here. Regen, power. There we go. From the cab, this control unit comes down into there where it plugs into the drive motor. This comes to the high voltage line to the batteries. Okay, we can't actually test the motor yet though. We know the control works. We know it's communicating the way it should be. But until I get a CNC part for that battery box so those batteries can slot in, we should get that in a week, then about 2 weeks to install it, and then the truck can actually being tested moving under its own power in a couple weeks. So give me a month. Next thing we got to do is get this headache rack onto the truck.